this is what my eyebrows looked, and I was just like, why didn't no one tell me like I was out here looking like this? What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle, and if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below. Enjoy our little fam. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing, you guys already know, you read the title, okay? We're gonna be doing our eyebrows. I feel so, let me just say this, I feel so naked without my eyebrows, like even like any makeup at all. But we're gonna go ahead and do our eyebrows, and this is gonna be very like simple. I'm not gonna be too complicated with it. I'm just gonna show you guys what I do, and if you guys want to try it out for yourselves, you guys can go ahead and do that, or you could just go ahead right now, click the video. If you want to follow along, then you can go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna try my best because I really don't know. I'm not a beauty guru, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and start, and yeah, let me just try to zoom in. I'll just try to zoom in as much as possible to my eyebrows so you guys could see. So just get, you know, your hair out of your face. And we're gonna be using pomade. I use the Makeup Revolution one because it's just the same thing as Anastasia, but like this is a dupe, so it does the same thing. So get any of your choice, just pomade. So we're gonna start off with pomade. I'm gonna be using this brush. Don't know the number of it, but it's a Sephora brush. It's a little spoolie on the end, and then right here it's just like an eyebrow brush. So I'm just getting my eyebrow brush, and we're just gonna start off. Zoom in these crusty eyebrows. Oh my god. Okay, look at this. So we're probably gonna focus on this one mostly. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and do our eyebrows. I got a little friend right here. I'm so mad. Like, thank you. We're gonna get our little spoolie. I'm gonna focus on this one because this is like probably my favorite eyebrow. So we're just gonna brush up. So brush your eyebrows. Don't forget to brush your eyebrows. I'm gonna get I grab the pomade. I'm gonna just, this is what I do. I just take off the excess and I begin to do my eyebrow. I just feel like if I grab too much, I just flatten it very good, and so it's not too much product, and then I go ham. And then we're gonna just outline. Just outline your eyebrow. You guys can't really tell right now because I just have to outline it and everything, so it doesn't look like much, but it does show. So I'm just gonna brush it out. Then we're just gonna grab our spoolie with product still and just lightly shade it in. Okay, so for now, we're just going to conceal. I am using this concealer. It's the Tarte in the color Light. So we're just going to go ahead and conceal our eyebrows. This is before. This is, you know, work in progress. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm just concealing this eyebrow. As you can see, this is work in progress. This is the before, so yeah, we're just gonna continue. want to blend it out. You see, you just want to blend it out. Just blend everything out so you guys can see. And for my very final step, I like to go over with a little eyebrow pencil and just fill it in a little bit more wherever I miss some spots. Okay, so I grabbed my spoolie. I just grabbed Makeup Revolution one. You could get any one of your choice, NYX, whatever, Anastasia. We're just gonna brush this out and we're just gonna fill in the rest of the bald spots, whatever you want to call it, that there's left, so it can look a little bit more full, you feel me? So okay, so you guys, this is gonna be the final eyebrow result. I'm going to do my other eyebrow off camera and then I'll show you guys both of them being done. So this is what it looks like. This is before, ignore the little pimple. This is after. I don't know how I act without eyebrows. Like, who is she? I need my eyebrows. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna just finish the rest of my eyebrows and then I'll be right back to show you guys the end result. So you guys, I am back. So I went ahead and did like the rest of my makeup, which was just I did blush, foundation, concealer, everything simple, just for this simple eyebrow routine. Just remember, they're cousins, they're not sisters. So I just want to let you guys know like the very final step that I do to my eyebrows, which is this is a clear eyebrow gel. I like just making them, just fill them in. And then you go upwards, downwards. Perfect. Just a little spoolie just to tame all your hairs throughout your day. Not saying that they're gonna go everywhere, but I don't know, I just feel so satisfied when I do that. So yeah, that's what I want to show you guys. My hair, I want some highlight on my brow bone so it could just pop a little bit more. So we're just, because we want to be glowing. Yes. Okay, so that pretty much does it for my eyebrow routine. Hopefully you guys liked it. Difficult to follow because when I first started off, this is like a beginner style. When I first started off, my eyebrows were a mess. Like, I don't know if I have any pictures to show you guys, but I could just probably insert some if I have any. This is what my eyebrows looked, and I was just like, why didn't no one tell me like I was out here looking like this? But now I look back and I'm like, whoa, like people really let me go out there in public with my eyebrows like all the way up here and like super dark with shaded with Sharpie. Like, y'all don't care about me. See how it is. Nah, but I'm just kidding. So yeah, this is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my eyebrows. I like not too thin. Let me go back. Whoa. I don't like my eyebrows too dark. I'm very specific with my eyebrows. Like, I think I finally found the perfect eyebrows that match my, you know, face. Because before, in my very first video, I don't know if you guys saw that, they were pretty thin and I didn't like them, and it didn't really go with my face shape. So I noticed that and I was like, no, like I need to upgrade on these eyebrows. And I'm glad I finally learned how to do the perfect eyebrow for my face and like my liking as well. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see any other makeup videos and I will do them for you. So I just also want to announce this little, I just also want to do a little announcement for the giveaway. I already chose a winner. So with this So for the giveaway, I already chose the winner. The winner shows the first comment. She had her post notifications on, so shout out to you. Thank you so much. I love you, and I will get in touch with you just so I can get all your information and I can send you your prize. I don't like doing my eyebrows on camera, so hopefully it was pretty good. Honestly, yeah. So I love you guys. Stay safe, because I know there's a virus going around, the coronavirus. So everyone stay indoors, stay safe, don't panic. This will all go away soon, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till next time, and have a good blessed day. I love you guys so much. Bye.